I put on LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. Over LBC. I put on LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. How's everybody doing this evening? Hope you are doing just swell. I am doing just swell, my swell self. Hope you had an amazing Wednesday. Hope you were able to make some money in the markets today. We had a crazy day. Had a crazy day as far as the beginning of the day, really. Not so much after that. Kind of did a little bit of nothing after that. All right. Everything's situated. Sorry. All right. What's going on, everybody? How you doing? Good evening. Good evening. Thank you all for being here. I do greatly appreciate you. What's going on? Let's say good evening to everybody. Good evening, Nick Dunn. How you doing? Let's effing go. What's up? What's up? What's going on? Johnny December, thank you for being here. Good evening. Good evening. Melissa One Love. LBC OG in the house. How you doing? Thank you for being here. Mike Volmer, good evening. Good evening. Mike. Hey, it's your day, Mike. Hit the like. Thank you, Melissa. You live at a resort? That would be nice. What's going on, Harpsky? How you doing? All right, let's just look at the charts. What are we looking at? All right, so is this it? Is this the bearish breakout retest continuation? That's the $78,000 Bitcoin question. $78,000 question. Let's go down to shorter term time frame, see where we're looking at on our short lower time frames. So today market opens, you get the move down, you create orb, You get a bullish engulfing, and then you smash through. Then you sit up here for a little while, about 30 minutes roughly, and then you come down and you sweep these lows. And all we've done since then is just go sideways, essentially. We did have another little push down, but we've just gone sideways ever since. So what are we looking for now? This might have been a nice little long here on the orb. ORB in the house. Beautiful people. Got our ribbon coming down. Our momentum, or our money flow rather, is pretty heavy in the green. Let's zoom in a little bit. This is on the 3 minute also, so keep that in mind. Let's go to the 15. Trade Intuition viewers have entered the chat. What's going on, T.I. Joe? Thank you for being here. Thank you for sending the good people of your stream over. Oh my goodness, and Alex O Crypto. Oh, we got even more people showing up. What is going on? Al Jr. in the house. What's up, bro? Shout out to Alex O Crypto and the Otter gang. Let's see some otters in the chat. Let's see some bingo and bangos in the chat. You guys are amazing. I do greatly appreciate you for sending the crew over. Now money flows a bit flat here on the 15 minute. Not a whole lot going on after you wipe out both sides of the market. Kabooza. Lasers, what's going on? Ada Ace in the house. What's up, bro? James G6G5B. What's going on? Thank you for being here. B Team Crypto. What's going on, bro? Crystals. How you doing, Crystals? Damn Expel. What's going on? How are you all doing? Love seeing the otters in the chat. You guys are absolutely amazing. Otters in the house. That's what's up. Angry screen. Oh man. So yeah. Looks like we're getting a little bit overextended here, but on the 15. Let's drop down to the 5s. Money flow is still in the green. True 7 still above the 0 line. Momentum still above the 0 line. This thing might get another push. Maybe look for the bottom of the New York orb or the 930 open. We do have these highs over here. Definitely be watching this zone right here. Definitely watch this right here. It's an order block, so we also have a 4 hour. I think we've already cleared the 4 hour fair value gap here. Yeah, we've already cleared that, but close above it on the 15 as well, above the middle line, that is. Right now, that's just a sweep. I would like to see us break this. Come up into 15-minute FVG. Right there. That'd be nice. We'll see if we get that, or if it wants to move to the downside. On the 15, let's pull 15's demand. Looks nice. What's up, guys? Hey, Lunar. Hey, GT Jack. How you doing, GT Jack? Thank you for being here. Good morning from PH. I don't know what PH is. You have to tell me what pH is. One more down for the third down drive. Yeah, I mean, I definitely think we're ultimately still going lower. I mean, if I just zoom out, I mean, this is a classic bear flag, breakout, backtest, continuation. Now, whether or not it hits the measured move target of about 77,800 or so, essentially sweeping this low. And I'll be very curious to see if we can sweep that low and close above it on the weekly, because if we can, then that would be very nice, because every single move to the upside this entire run was a weekly SFP. However, even if we do get a weekly SFP and we do start to get moves to the upside, we got to be careful that that's not just a dead cat bounce. If it does any kind of rolling kind of action, be careful. Not something that we want to see. And here on the weekly, we've got money flow coming out. True 7 it was clipping, as Alex O so coined. JK, what'd you say? Philippines. JK. Love the tunes, brother. Ex-metalcore junkie here, now trader. Hey, Trench Juice, what's going on? Infinite Team TA, what's up, what's up? How you doing? Bro, got you on my second monitor. My car is following your charting. Wait, what? Your car? Oh, cat. That's funny. Cameron Parker, how you doing? Throwing the otters in the chat. Love it. Strega Heart. A lot of people, a lot of good people here. How y'all doing? I mean, you're all beautiful. You're all amazing. Hold on, what was that one? Currently shorting on Tau. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. All right, so yeah, money flow coming out here on the weekly. Oh, the metalcore thing. That's, yeah. I was a scene kid, bro. I was definitely a metalhead. I mean, I'm still a metalhead, you know. But definitely was in the metalcore scene. I played in bands. I have a platinum warlock sitting over there and behind me. Whoops. So I was in it, man. I was in it to win it. What's the NASDAQ doing? Let's go to the lower time frames. Oh, man. Where? Gotta find the one that I have drawn. Oh, it is this one. Okay. I drew this quite some time ago. And it's not exactly what I wanted to play out. But it's playing out. And if the NASDAQ continues to slide, Bitcoin will probably continue to slide as well. Lots of connection there between them and also CoreWeave. And CoreWeave's been moving to the downside as well, along with NVIDIA. There's some private credit, private loan, private finance issues going on. I don't know if you guys know this, but essentially, it could start a contagion in markets broadly, specifically in the tech sector, which is exactly what's propping up the stock market right now. So if this continues to slide down and the NASDAQ continues to slide and so does NVIDIA, it's not good. So there's some private financing issues going on. Seeing some halting on the issuance of these loans. And ChatGPT, all these AI data centers are just burning through cash. They're just burning. So, and this is why they started to introduce that 40 billion a month QE. I think. And perhaps they might have to do more. We'll see. But it seems like the Fed is probably too late. Are we going to reject this supply right here? Looks like we're trying to. Go remember. No, after Asia, Alex O. Too far? Alex after dark? Why did a beach finally dump? Because after years of getting pounded relentlessly by massive salty waves day and night, it was left eroded, full of crabs, and covered in sticky seaweed that just wouldn't wash off. That's funny. It's funny. You're gonna be laughing in about 10 seconds. That's funny. Are we bear flagging, guys? I mean, this is pretty nasty wick here. And this just kind of looks like maybe a bit of exhaustion here. We do have momentum pushing to the downside here on the 3 minute, and the true 7 is already below the 0 line. But money flow is still thick in the green. So, mixed signals. Not really something I would want to take. I would have wanted to take right here is where I would have wanted to take a trade. Push to the upside because I had all of my indicators firing off to the upside, or all three of the parts, different indicators within the indicator firing off at the same time, which is what this is what you look for. Short soul. I missed all the lives today. Busy. Hope everyone is well. Yeah, I missed a lot too. I'm so short I can't get off the mousetrap. Below VWOW. Below VWOW. Let me go back to my volume chart. You said short soul? And we do have money flow starting to come out on this one already. Soul leading the way to the downside, Alex? Is that what's going on? Just broke back below inside of Asia orb. Wonder what this would look like if I set this to 30 minute. Alex, have you been using an orb during an Asia session, and if so, what time frame or what range do you use? 15 minute or 30 minute or more? Because JR did a 2-hour orb. This price action is... It's okay. I mean, we just got a 3-minute close below this low. We're getting a pullback. But I think this might continue to roll over here. Taking the soul short might have been a great idea. That's why you should follow Alex O Crypto. Of course, if you're watching me right now, you probably already do. I'm exhausted. I love you, brother. God bless. Have a good night, family. Hey, all good, bro. I know you got to get up bright and early, so thank you for stopping by. Thank you for sending the wonderful Otter Gang over, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, bro. I'd love. Good night. Peace. NASDAQ dumping as well. Its Asia orb is all off. I'll have to, because it's based off of a different time frame or time zone, different hours, because they have those periods where they don't trade, which is like 1 hour on the NQs and the weekends. We also follow you. You're not a second note. Oh, thank you, James. Mad love. Let it bounce once more. Best community in all of crypto. Absolutely. 100%. My favorite. Otter Gang is my favorite. And not just because my friend built it. Brought it to life. It just generally is. Because that's the type of people that Alex and the community attracts. It's just good people that support each other. Traders helping traders, as Alex O says. And that's what it's all about. So, I don't like this price action. Kind of sucks. Like this. What is this? It's the hanging eggplant emoji. Very placid. We don't like that. Come on now. Building, yeah, they're riding with me. Solana, NASDAQ. Let's see if you want to come up here into this fair value gap. Haven't taken this low yet, or this low. So, let's see it come up here and then take those lows. Reverse cup and handle. Where? On Biddy? Oh, this? Yeah. I don't know. I'm not so much of I don't really care for too many patterns on the lower time frames. If you see me drawing trend lines, that's just more kind of trying to see some support and resistance, not really patterns. More trends. Those patterns aren't nice, but they're better on the higher time frames, especially the 4 hour. All right, so we got this 15-minute FVG above us. We've got we're rejecting a New York Open. Yesterday's New York Open. I was going to see if we could get up to the 8:30 or the 9:30. Seems like we may not. We've got liquidity built up below here. Everybody's seeing higher lows and higher highs. So you just automatically think bullish, but none of this is impulsive. I mean, this last little bit, but that's usually, I mean, that a lot of the times that can just be exhaustion after all this chop. So, and anytime I see price action look like this, I just assume that those lows are going to get taken out at some point. And that's kind of what we got going on here. We're just bouncing around. You'll see those things get tagged. Let's look on the inside of these candles. kind of deltas are we looking at in here? Look at all these negative deltas. Minus 661, minus 161, positive 461. Where's our imbalances? Don't really see a whole lot of imbalances. $843. Wow, that's the biggest one. Single prints. Yeah, I'm not really. There's a lot going on here. There's a lot of selling going on here. Yeah. There's a lot of selling going on. I still feel good about sweeping the 84.5 low and bounce into Friday dump. This low? This low. That's 85. That's 83.7. 84.5 is here. Trench LBC has a bunch of them. What's up? Did AI write this track? Epic. These are all the ones that I've liked out of the ones that I've created to go through. It's pretty cool. I've created a ton of songs if it'll function properly. I've created so much. Of course, there's some repeats of the same songs. I mean, same lyrics, but like different vibes, different flows, different music, all different kinds of different music. Like this one's kind of in the style of 3-6 Mafia, Memphis rap. Ride the waves, ride the waves. Oh no, I turned the music off. Whoopsies. I forgot that that was the music that I was playing from. Lower, lower. What's that? This is the 1 hour. What's that 30-minute looking like? Not good. Oh, boom. All right, let's see. Can we get a bounce and a bullish engulfing? Where's our view up? There's our view up. Can we bullish engulf? 1 minute. Okay, that's a bullish engulf. It's not really. I'd rather for the engulfing candle to wick below the previous candle. Oh, my light. Where? Okay, we were on that one. Here's the next one. No, short only. Yeah, I'm still just... Oh, Jesus Save, 77. What's going on, Jesus Save? Thank you for being here. God bless to you. I was jamming, bro. Sorry. This somehow... Okay. Somehow this turned into a Kanye-style song. it wasn't what I was going for, but it kind of turned into that, like an old school Kanye. I don't know if you can even hear it, but bullish divergence. I'd like to see that money flow flip back up. Trying to get bullish engulfing here. 12 seconds. Jesus walks. What's going on, Kelly? How you doing? Shep. Hey, what's going on, Shep? Bearish VWAP slap. Potentially. Yeah, so we're rejected. Swept the previous 2 candles highs. We'll see. Getting back into 15-minute orb. What you gonna do, Bitcoin? Do have some nice juicy highs. Relatively equal highs up here. Did we sweep this low? Looks like we did. Gotta give me a bullish engulfing, man. I don't really like how it's kind of just taking its time. Volume's kind of picked up here towards the end here. Look, oh, yep, there it goes. Drop it. Or give me a bullish engulfing. I'll take either. Below the VWAP from this swing high here. Ride the wave down. That's right. Pick up volume. It's kind of giving us that little trickle down economics. And we know that what happens with the trickle down. You get peed on. Oh. Bullish engulfing off of orb. Can we get back above VWAP? I'm gonna have to put this on a 30-second chart, just a 15-second chart, just to feel something. All right, guys, we got a bearish megaphone pattern pan out here. All right, here's a bearish megaphone, a bearish inverse triangle. Rejection on the VWAP. See if this flips red on our momentum. Bearish engulfing on the 15-second chart. Let's go to let's short it. Short down to this low. A whole 0.117%. That's like 1% on 100x, bro. No, that's like 10% on 100x. 11. 15-second chart. Bro hitting the microscope. Zcash long. No, don't take me out. Oh no. Yeah, it's coming for me, guys. It's hunting my stop. Alright, enough playing around. Back to the 3-minute. Watch this play out. We do see money flow coming out here on the 3. What about the 5 and the 15? 5 coming down, momentum coming down, 15. I mean, money flow is just like basically non-existent. Still above the 0 line on the momentum wave ribbon. But we do have this, we might be creating a 15-minute fair value gap. But that would also be a close on top of orb. How much longer do we have? 8 minutes on this candle. Oh, is that a bullish engulfing? Oh, it swept me out. Look at that. Stopped me out of my 15-minute or 15-second trade. Were you trading with 50x? Yes. What are you guys talking about? Feeling this short scalp on Arrow. Long Donkey Kong, Santa Rally to the bottom. Oh, looking for an orb trade. Noodles still printing. I cleared out. Pro hitting the microscope. An inverted inverse triangle 60% of the time plays out every time. Yep. I like that. You know, the orb, you know, they say once you break the top of the orb, 68% of the time, it goes long every time. Trying to find a clean FVG. We'll see if this closes into an FVG. Ah, Asia, you're so boring tonight. And most nights. Doge, what are we doing? Doge hit fresh 14-month lows today. So it's a piece of dog crap. Alright, what are you guys mentioning in here? Alright, Zcash. A nice little pop. How are we looking? What did we get up to? 744. My goodness. It's over though. It's done. No more. Bear market's here. Zcash got to come back to reality. What's going to be the next one? What's the next Zcash? Is it going to be Bitcoin Cash? It's a bullish looking chart. At the very least. Fixed range volume profile. On top of it. Money flow thick in the green. Momentum wave trying to come back to the upside. It is crossing the 0 line. True 7 has broken the 0 line. Bitcoin Cash going to be the next Zcash? Where it's basically just long-term holders getting out of the market, realizing that crypto is dead. See, this is why I can't do patterns, man. It's just, stuff just ain't lining up. We got lows. This is going to end up looking like every other chart, every other altcoin chart. I don't know. XRP. Ooh. Ooh, not looking good. It's probably coming all the way down here. I mean, it's long-term support. XRP back at 60 cents, 58 cents. Well, you know, at least it's on a steady uphill climb, right? Ave. That doesn't look good. Would have been nice if this got up a little bit higher. If I pull a fib on this, I wonder where it rejected. At the 50 percentile. I know I'm on the weekly chart, guys. So that was the high. Was it just a retrace to the 50%? And then a rejection. Twice rejected for Ave. Got a feeling a lot of these are going to be revisiting these lows again. Probably even these lows. Relatively equal lows. Always looking. INJ. Pretty much the same. You've even lost to 886. Ugh. INJ does not look good. $1.618. My goodness, is all the way down here. Nope, can't use that. Can't. Yeah, that's gonna make it even worse. Trend. Fib trend. 786, 362. We'll see. I mean, but this thing's dumping. Are we dumping right now? Yeah, look at this. This is no volume on Binance. Coinbase, a little better. This one you gotta throw the Heikenashis on. I mean, it just kissed that low. So, if we get another pop-up here on INJ, we might look at that 478. Maybe front running a little bit, 475. A little bit of a psychological level, so maybe 470, 474, somewhere in that range. If this is to get a pop to the upside. And that's what the bear market, that's what a lot of the bear market is, guys. If we are in the bear market, like we probably are, you're going to see a lot of pops and then a lot of drops. That's just how it goes. You get people, and the reason why it does that is not because of manipulation. A lot of people look at, a lot of people looked at Bitcoin's price doing this today, and they assume that that's manipulation of the market, when it's just market mechanics playing out. You've got this nice big drop. You're coming down. You're looking super weak. You probably already have some stop losses sitting above here. People already in shorts. So when you just start stacking that liquidity, thing is, once you hit one, if there's a big enough order, what you're doing is you're buying your position back if you're in a short. And all the stop losses that get hit right there, they're buying right at that moment. So what's that going to do? Well, if you don't have the sellers there, that's going to push price up. And then you hit the next cluster of buy orders or sell stops, and you push even higher and higher and higher and higher until the order book is fully rebalanced and the leverage is wiped. This is just an over leveraged market. That's all that is. And it's the order book algorithms. The price is driven by algorithms for the most part, because they're just efficient. So it's the mechanics of the market. It's not like some devious secret thing. It's just balancing liquidity seeking algorithms that tried to balance the order book in the most efficient way possible. So if you have someone like trying to get in, or an institution trying to get in short somewhere within this range, but there's not enough buyers, the market will seek those buy orders. Someone or a bunch of people trying to sell. That's what's happening. So we'll see. Little baby 3-minute bull div on Biddy trying to take local high. Viewership fell off. I'm sorry. Right after I got a little bit more interesting. I know. Don't forget to smash the like button for LBC. Thank you. Maybe a Band-Aid. Hey, what's going on, Bandage? Sorry, I was playing some video games. Inexcusable. I need you to do take 10 laps around the field, and I need you to do some suicides. I'll say 50 suicides. Someone's mentioned arrow. I can't look at altcoins on small time frames. Yeah, I mean, I see. I think you said you were short arrow. It's probably not a bad move. I just need to start shorting like every single altcoin out there. Is what I need to do. And then next thing I know, everything rips. Man, great volume and price action. I'm still here. What's going on, Ada Ace? This thing's not very old, it looks like. What time is it right now, bro, on your end? It is 9:48 p.m. Central Standard Time. Pretty late. Pretty late for an old man that's got a job. But the fact that I have a job is why I'm here so late. These really need to be brightened up. I don't have time to do this in the middle of a live. I just need the important stuff. 786. Okay. You said nice volume. Let's take a look. It's got some pretty decent volume. I mean, it's fairly new. In Central Time Zone as well, buddy. Hey, CST Life. Number 56 on CoinMarketCap. Interesting. Noodle to coffee. Oh, wait. Noodle Toffee. Interesting name. Mad love. Woot woot. Central Time Zone. Hey, we got some Central Time Zones in the house. Let's see. We've got money flow. Nice and green. We're kind of chilling at the 0 line, though, on our momentum and our true 7. I mean, this actually looks like it could be bullish. We see some nice buy volume in this candle, or some nice volume in this candle, but it wicked up pretty hardcore and it came down. I don't know anything about this. It's pretty new, so not a whole lot of stuff to the left to go off of. Which personally, I don't really like to mess with, especially as a trader. Sei, SEI. This thing looks deader than dead. This is basically just a slow rug pull. Sweet. It's almost the same. Good evening, JR. Oh, look at you. You finally decided to show up. I'm just kidding, bro. Thank you for stopping by. Still long on that token. Hindi, go. What token? What time do you usually go to bed, bro? A little bit after I get off of here. 52 viewers. This is where the party's at. Yeah. Alex O sent the Otter Gang over. Shout out to Alex O. Sweet, looks like a good short. Let's go to the 4 hour. Maybe. I mean, we are at support, or we are at a demand zone. Oh, almost there. Yeah, be careful. We are at the lows, guys, so it's not really the best time to go short is at the lows. Now, if you break the lows, or you break a high volume node, and you backtest it, then maybe you can get some continuation to the downside. But outside of that, I mean, you got to be careful that you don't come down here and then bounce and then continue higher if you are short. I mean, as long as we are moving to the downside, if price is moving to the downside, I'm looking for levels for potential bounce. And as it's moving to the downside, I'm marking off swing highs and I'm looking for fair value gaps and order blocks. So that when price hits a high time frame demand and it gets a bounce and it breaks the internal low, I will look to see where we see exhaustion at any of these levels. If we get to any of these levels, maybe back up to the POC, back up to this range that we found some support and then broke down and then found a rejection. I know there's a lot of spaghetti on the chart. Break down, come back up, back test, continuation. This is actually a triangle that played out. Look at that. Triangles are pretty 50-50. Bearish triangle at that. Measured move, come down, take out the relatively equal lows. Makes sense to me. Sweet. Do have a 4 hour fair value gap up here that it might want to come up into before it rolls over. We've got a little bit of sideways, a little bit of downtrending resistance. Do we get a SFP? We got an SFP on the 15-minute. So here on SWE, I'll be looking for a break of these highs, pull back, maybe pull back on top of orb or consolidate on top of orb, and then a push taking profit here, here, there. And maybe it gets a little bit crazy and runs for more liquidity where we have these fair value gaps. Do we have a bullish divergence? We do right here. So it's giving us everything that we want to see. Let's see if we can get a bullish engulfing here. SFP with a doji, or whatever this one's called, and bullish engulfing. That's looking pretty solid. Money flows in the red. Everything's trending below the zero line though. So I definitely would want to see a pop up. So if we can get a pop up here, start getting some money flow creeping up to the upside, and get the true 7 sticking up there too. Now, doesn't really matter what it is. If it's in, I was showing indicators last night, but if it's a MACD, it's the same thing. You want all the lines crossing the zero line on a MACD and pushing to the upside. And then you want to see it break the downwards trend and get a pullback. And on that pullback, you see momentum come down, but money flow curve up, or plateau, really. And any of your other indicators kind of pushing to the upside or on the top side of the zero line. If you're on Market Cipher, whatever it is, you want everything on the top side of the zero line and pointing to the upside. Once you get the bounce. You get the bounce and everything's coming in at the same time. Boom. Ride that wave to the upside. Sweet. Man, what a nice little lick grab right there. Pretty sure I was pointing out these equal highs last night. We got some more up here too. Don't be surprised if we do get another a lick grab to clear these highs. ICNT USDT. Load up the Wi-Fi and money. What y'all talking about? Seti Sederson. Yo, what is this thing? All I see is liquidity. I've seen stuff like this. Oh no, go back. I don't know what this is. It's kind of a bullish chart. I'm seeing some accumulation in here. And then coiling up. Everything's pointing to the upside too. True 7, momentum, money flow is starting to It leveled out a little bit, but it's starting to gradually increase. Not clipping yet. Just yeah, I think we're gonna. The thing about, I mean, the crypto market is so big these days, is that there's so much stuff that you. I mean, you just have to get. You almost have to get lucky to catch something that pushes. But I mean, if this next day candle closes above this, but definitely above this right here, it closes above 46 cents, 0.4613. Now I'll be looking for either for a launch. I'll probably be looking for a launch, but I would look for let's say the daily candle closes here. I would then drop down to the 1 hour. We'll just say that this is this right here. So then I'll drop down to the 1 hour. I want to see what it does there. See if it can get it, put in like an ABC. If it can do that and get a nice bullish engulfing and take out like an internal high, that might be one to start buying into. Be looking for that structurally. It's one of those. Heady shoulderies. You'd think this would be 3 drives, and it might be. This might get an SFP here. If this SFP's right here, then everything I just said is probably thrown out the window. You already see a die down in volume. This might be SFPing here. Oh, wait. Oh, the new hour's already started. Whoopsies. If this SFP's... Man, everything is saying that underlying's decent. But if that SFP's, man, these lows are super juicy. Nope, that ain't gonna work. I don't like these lows. And you can also see your momentum. I mean, technically you get a bearish divergence there. Bearish divergence there. If this candle closes lower, it's pretty much going to be another bearish divergence. I see that. I see head and shoulders ish. Yeah. Either this or it could come down before it goes. Potentially. Reminds me of this chart a little bit. Is it the weekly? Oh yeah. This is chain link. If you come up short, woo, wee. Guys, did you know? that Swift uses link. Anyways. Alright, fam. I gotta get out of here. I greatly appreciate all of you. All of those of you that stuck it out and stuck around. It's usually pretty boring around here as far as price action. But you guys help bring things to life, and I do greatly appreciate you. Thank you all for joining me this evening. I hope you all have an amazing Thursday. Tomorrow will be my last show of the week. And then we go into Christmas week. Yay! And yeah, so trying to think if there's anything. Not really. Nope. All right, so just thank you all. Be careful. Things are looking pretty bearish, so make sure just be careful. Okay, be careful with the lungs. Okay. All right, guys. I love you all. Thank you all for joining me this evening. I do greatly appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind smacking up that like button on your way out, hitting that subscribe button if you're new, and hitting that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content when I go live. As always, I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep. And I will catch you all tomorrow. My love. Peace out. God bless. Ride the waves. Bye.
I put on LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. On LBC. I put on LBC. On LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's a wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put on LBC, on LBC. I put on LBC, on LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam, putting on endlessly. I put on for LBC, on for LBC. I put on for LBC, on for LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Oh, started with a vision, now we running in the game. We running the game, yeah. Charles glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name, you know the name. Yeah. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide, controlling the tide, controlling the tide. Every candle we light, that's a wave we ride, wave we ride, wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, where the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with sticks. I put on for LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turn to gain. Got the fam worldwide, the roots run deep. From the man that was grind, to the LB streets. Just for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Oh, I put over LBC. Oh, I put over LBC. Oh, I put over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam. Putting on in the league,